Launch control? Check. Wifey? Check. Hot coffee? Check. What could go wrong? Whoa, 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 pump the brakes, Turbo. Let's back it up a little bit and see how we got here. Don't worry, we're gonna see the coffee launch. You're watching Midlife Mods. In my last video, we saw the installation of the 034 Motorsport transmission mount and billet aluminum insert. So now we're gonna do an after test run to see if the shifting is any smoother. What I'll do is I'll put a side-by-side up on the screen so you can see the before and after video. Tell me if you see a difference. Here we go. It's very subtle, I think. Maybe it's the placebo effect, but I do think it feels a little bit more crisp. Another way to test out whether the transmission is any smoother is with the Wifey coffee test. Now, I'm gonna do another launch, and if the coffee spills, I fail. So, let's see if this investment was really worth it.
It was not worth it. I just got coffee on me.
You failed.
Oh my gosh, Dylan.
Didn't work. Coffee all over.
Oh my gosh.
I might be in trouble. Okay, so maybe that wasn't a fair test. Let's just do some basic rolling launch to see if less coffee goes on the Wifey. Okay, so now we're gonna do a rolling launch to see how the shifting works out. Okay, here we go. Hang on to your coffee, honey. Okay, here we go.
Okay, that's better.
That's better, right?
Yeah.
I think that's a pretty reasonable upgrade for $39.
Oh, you're quoting me the wife price?
She knows.
Look!
That's gonna make it in the video for sure. That's hilarious.
You're gonna have to pay that money to
That's not your
replace
line.
it. I'm sorry.
That's not your line.
Okay, what was my line?
Oh, you're quoting me the Wifey price?
Oh, okay. Oh, you're quoting me the
I
wife price?
I didn't say any. No, you said yeah. Thanks, Wifey. That was fun. Now back to business. In my last video, I also mentioned that I would take you for some beautiful California canyon runs. So right outside my window is Mulholland Highway, one of the most famous and infamous roads for spirited driving. This road takes you all the way to the Pacific Ocean, where I'm going to show you the next 034 Motorsport part that just arrived in the mail.
Alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door.
We made it to the Pacific Ocean, guys. What a beautiful drive. We have some amazing canyons here in California, and I definitely felt the difference with the transmission upgrade. The next upgrade that I got is the billet aluminum rear differential mounts or insert replacements. Take a look at these. So it comes with 3 inserts, well branded with the 034 logo, and some really solid billet aluminum pieces. And this is just going to replace the existing rear differential mounts that are on the car. Simple piece, but it should add some more rigidity, some more stability to the rear differential. Thanks for joining me on this drive, guys, and thank you for watching Midlife Mods.